Mounter. There's a new way to support the channel, hooray! You can do it by becoming a Diamond Mounter member, and people who have watched my videos for a while will know that I used to have a YouTube membership last year, but I stopped it. I'm bringing it back, but it's only going to be the first tier this time. It's going to be the supporter tier only, and it's just basically a convenient way for people to help the channel grow, to help me out, because if you're a practicing jeweler, you may be aware that cost of replacing drills and burrs and saw blades and that costs money. So with a little bit of financial help, it helps me continue the channel going. And if you're new to me, I was a professional jeweler for nearly 25 years in the UK. I used to specialise in hand making high-end bespoke pieces. So I was working in very high-end stores, selling very expensive stuff, working amongst very experienced jewellers. So I learned a lot over the years. I soaked it all up, and now I'm living in Japan. I want to keep my skills and put them to good use by sharing what I've learned over the years. So that's why I started this channel. So if you check out my videos, yeah, they're all just in-depth, great tutorials for learning jewellery, sometimes not just making a piece, but just showing a little trick of doing something a particular way. I'll explain the tools I'm using, the methods I'm using, the techniques. I'll show clearly, I'll explain everything. I'll even explain alternative ways of doing it while I'm doing it. I just try to just get all the information in my head out there on video. So just to be as useful as possible for people looking to learn to make jewellery. Because I was fortunate, I had a kind of natural ability to do it well right from the start, and I worked hard, and I was in good company with very experienced jewellers, so I kind of rose to the top almost. I was quite good at what I was doing. So yeah, I want to explain everything that I was taught and make it available for as many people as possible. So yeah, if you want to help me out, you can click like and subscribe on my videos. If you want to take a step further, you can now become a YouTube member. So look for a join button on the Diamond Mounter page, and yeah, that's it. So cool. See you next time. Bye.